Dolly and Friends!
Ăn qua không luôn ăn qua rồi không ăn rồi hỏi nhau hỏi Hey, ở quá mà, ở quá mà. Hả? Ở quá không?
Dolly and Tommy were building a sandcastle when suddenly they saw a pirate bottle washed ashore. Dolly took the bottle from the ground, opened it, and found a map inside. The map was showing the way to the hidden treasures. Dolly and Tommy decided to find them. They were walking far, far away, searching for the treasures. And finally, they found the place where the treasures were hidden. Tommy got tired digging out the treasure chest. Dolly and Tommy brought the chest home, but it was locked. Nobody knew how to open it. Dolly and Tommy had left the chest here until tomorrow. But when the night came over, the chest started trembling and cranking. Dolly was so scared. And suddenly, the creepy skeleton jumped out of the chest. It had yellow burning eyes and scary bony hands. The skeleton was so close. But then, Tommy ran into the room. He came here to rescue Dolly. Skeleton turned around and was going to go and grab Tommy. But Tommy used his flashlight to drive the skeleton away, and he fell back where he came from. Dolly and Tommy locked the chest and left it outside, far away from their home.
Five little ghosts went out the cave, over the hill and far away. But little ghostbusters catch them in a bag, and only 4 little ghosts came back. One, two, three, 4. 4 little ghosts went out the cave, over the hill and far away. But little ghostbusters catch them in a bag, and only 3 little ghosts came back. One, two, three. 3 little ghosts went out the cave, over the hill and far away. But little ghostbusters catch them in a bag, and only 2 little ghosts came back. One, two. 2 little ghosts went out the cave, over the hill and far away. But little ghostbusters catch them in a bag, and only 1 little ghost came back. One. 1 little ghost went out the cave, over the hill and far away. But little Ghostbusters catch them in a bag, and none of the ghosts came back. Dolly and Tommy came back to the cave, over the hill and far away. Dolly and Tommy opened the bag, and all of the 5 little ghosts came back.
My name is Dolly. I'm in a zombie costume. My friends are vipers and werewolves.
Hold at the door in such scary costumes. Who's asking me for a trick or treat?
Mommy Dragon, oh what a scary knuckles. You scared me and all my friends.
Hi Dolly Kid, you have so scary costumes and you deserve a lot of sweets.
My friends, oh what a scary place. What a mistake to come to which.
Dolly e seus amigos.
No, no, I'm afraid I will come another day. I will run away. No, no, I'm afraid. Don't be so afraid. Doctor will be soft and kind. She will check you up. No, no, don't be afraid. Look here, it's your teeth. You have got some dirt beneath. You should brush them well. Brush, brush every day. I'm not scared anymore. I feel better than before. Thanks for helping me. I'm not scared anymore. Knock, knock, who is this? Beep, ho, tell me please. Knock, knock, who is this? Who's at the doorstep? Large fish!